Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a beach club wrap. So we have our tortillas here. We're going to spread a little bit of cream cheese out on our tortilla. I just want a nice even layer. Okay. We have our sliced turkey. Provolone cheese. Some Roma tomato has been sliced. Put some sliced avocado, or you can dice it, either one. Because avocado gets kind of soft on you, you can kind of just tear it. You don't even have to chop it. Okay, we're going to roll this up. Okay, we're going to slice these. And all that's left to do now is to plate these up. And we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.